along with the domestic household Ganpati or the Ganesh idol, which you see in right there in between in the center, there is also a tradition of the domestic Gauri Puja, the worship of the Devi. And there are many histories and traditions behind this, which we will not have time to go into in this session. But they are an integral part in many celebrations of household Ganeshotsav. There's a diversity of decorations in them as well. So these are decorations of them in the Corona time. You can also see metal idols of them, and their names are Jeshtha and Kanishtha. And different parts of Maharashtra, different families, different traditions have different histories of these. But when are they worshipped? So this Gauri Puja occurs during Ganeshotsav. It occurs for 3 luni solar days. It begins with the Jeshtha Gauri Avahan. It culminates, the peak, the crescendo is the Jeshtha Gauri Pujana, involving a huge puja and a huge dinner, lunch, a huge feast. It concludes with the Jeshtha Gauri Visarjana, which involves an immersion, a Visarjana of the Jeshtha Gauri. And this occurs, the Jeshtha Gauri Avahana, it begins after Rishi Panchami, that is Bhadrapada Shukla Panchami. So if you remember, Ganeshotsav began on Ganesh Chaturthi, so Bhadrapad Shukla Chaturthi, the 4th of Bhadrapad. Gauri Avahan occurs after Rishi Panchami, and then there is some nuance of when exactly it begins. But interestingly, in many family traditions, the Gauri and the Ganesha Visarjana occur together. So Gauri, the last day of Gauri Puja, the Gauri Pujan, which is the Gauri Visarjan, also goes hand in hand with the Ganesh Visarjan. So in fact, this question, the answer to this question, how many days is Ganeshotsav celebrated in your family, could be variable for some people. It could be depends for some people, and it would depend upon how many days the Gauris are in your family that year. And in families with Gauri and Ganesh traditions, Ganeshotsav is celebrated for a different number of days, a different number of solar days, should we say, each year.